Prime Minister Modi might be used to travelling in helicopters and motorcade, but in the wild, you've got to make do with what you've got.
Don't step on this and that. It's going to be cold. It's going to be the least dignified boat trip the Prime Minister will have ever taken. I'm going to sit down. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit wet, but we'll live. Yeah. I think the reality is it probably won't take both of us, but as long as it takes him, I can then wade across. Okay. You ready for me?
Yeah.
I'm going to need to kick. I'm going to do some kicking. Here we go. Whoa. Sir, your Himalayan river is very cold.
Yes, very cold.
Especially on my...
The rain is really picking up. And so is the current in this river. I'm doing my best not to show it, but this river crossing is making me nervous.
You must be the first Prime Minister ever in history cross a river in a coracle like this. Well, certainly in the last 100 years.
हम बचपन भी ऐसे ही गुजारा है, हमने जिंदगी ऐसी गुजारी है, तो मुझे कोई नयापन नहीं लग रहा है। और मेरी हिमालयन लाइफ ऐसी ही थी।
Well, if you
साथ में कुछ नहीं था, ऐसे ही गुजारा करते थे।
And for hundreds of years, people would travel down the river in little natural coracles. Okay.
We managed to make it across the river, a bit cold and a bit wet, but the Prime Minister is a good sport.
Well done. Well done, well done.
Thank you.
You are amazing. You are amazing. Okay, you hold that. You know the neem leaf?
Yes.
That lovely smell?
Yes.
Which is also very
sweet
good.
Neem.
Exactly, sweet
neem.
Which is also very good for parasites inside.
In India,
we
are famous for the curry, Indian curry.
Of course.
In Indian curry, this is a permanent requirement.
Yeah, but it is very good for the health, and for me when I live in the jungle and I eat some bad things, this is good. Yeah, let's give it a shake. So I know conservation is very important for you. Tell me about that.
Yeah. देखिए भारत में हर पौधे को परमात्मा माना जाता है, उसमें गॉड का रूप देखा जाता है। हमारी एक परंपरा